morning. Welcome back to another very special episode of Suburban Smoking with Steve. Today we're doing the one and only brisket. Some people might ask, why do I like to do Texas style? My family and I lived in Houston for 4 years and we really loved it down there. It's where I fell in love with the smoky flavor of barbecue. So this brisket weighs about 12 pounds. After trimming, it will probably be down to about 10. We're gonna go through and trim out some of this hard fat. On this side over here, you can see some of the marbling already. We'll go through and trim this fat cap a little bit, and then we want a 1/4 inch of fat back here. I'm a big fan of leaving as much as possible just because we do fat side down when we smoke. So you don't have to get too aggressive back here. You want a nice fat protection. We've got it pretty equally fat. We don't want it too thin in areas because those areas will just burn right off. So I might trim a little bit more back here to make it more of an even kind of uniform shape. But overall, I like the marbling back here. That looks nice on the point. The flat looks very nice. The fat on the back side looks good. So we've got a good shape on it. We've got all the fat trimmed out. So now we're just gonna do a dry rub of 50% salt and 50% pepper. So we've got it all seasoned up with salt and pepper. It looks good. We're gonna go preheat the grill to 225 degrees. We're gonna spritz with old-fashioned apple cider that we bought down the street at a local store. So we're gonna put it in fat side down to protect the meat, and the point facing the heat source, which is in my case, this direction. So we've got it in, it's set up pretty nice. It's got a good shape and form. We're gonna set it to 225 and let it smoke for 4 to 6 hours or until the internal temperature is 165. Okay, so it's up to 165 internal temperature. It's been about 4 hours. So we're gonna take it off right now and we're gonna wrap it up in aluminum foil. All right, so we're gonna do the Texas Crunch on this, which is wrapped in aluminum foil and helps keep the moisture in. Okay, so we got it wrapped up. Put the back point facing the heat source, fat side down. We're gonna cook it until the internal temperature is between 200 and 205 degrees. See you later. All right, so it's been 5 hours. We're looking to smoke for 6 to 8 hours, but it's already done. And what you'll find with brisket smoking is it's not an exact science, it's more of an art. So you go with the flow. The flat is at 203 degrees and the point is at 205. So we're gonna take it off and bring it in the house and wrap it and put it in the cooler. Wrap it in our meat towel, dedicated meat towel. It smells really good. Let me take a quick peek at one corner. It looks right. Looks really good. It's gonna be good. All right, here's our finished product. Looks correct. Let's see what happens. let's do the test. The test is on a thin slice will hold up under its own weight. It's got a little give to it, and then it should come apart when you pull on it. It's a little stiff, especially that, but I bet you the point is gonna be better. That's fantastic. All right, same test. Hold it up, it holds up under its own weight, and it should fall apart. That's better. Hot! Final thoughts. The flat came out too dry. I think we cut out too much fat on the bottom. You can see it's real thin there. But the point is unbelievable. Juicy, delicious, good salt, good flavor. Reminds me of Houston. Stay smoky.